Well, this is our 13-acre field where we're doing a trial on liquid digest against a similar value fertiliser. We've got 4 trial plots, the first one being a disc injector, then we've done a plot of trail and shoe and a splash plate, and along the bottom of the field there is a equivalent nutrient value fertiliser being spread. So I think we've soil sampled the field and we're going to do leaf samples, weight of fresh grass grown, and see how the 4 plots compare.
Hi, my name's Ian Clatworthy. I work for 4R. We are a recycling group who deal with liquid digestate amongst other things, and we've applied on this field here for Richard Roderick and Newton Farm. Digestate from Bryn Peaker in Aberdare, which is processed food waste or from curbside with a high biofertiliser value, plenty of nitrogen, phosphate and potash, with hopefully some positive trial results.